Meanwhile, our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur spoke to some student protesters at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi who are celebrating Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Let's listen in.
We have a UPSC aspirant here with us who we're going to talk to quickly. What is your quick resignation announcement, reaction, and what were your expectations?
Madam, this is a very pernicious system that needs to be removed from this country, and I believe that the problem does not lie with just Dharmendra Pradhan. The problem is much deeper than that. The problem lies with Jiten Singh also. The problem lies with other ministers like Finance Minister Ms. Sitharaman also, and the minister. And this problem is now spread throughout this government. And this government is run by only two people, as we know it very clearly. This country knows it. So if you have to remove this system, if you want to make fundamental changes to this system, then the man sitting at the center should be removed, and hence we do not stop here, we will not stop here, and we will only go and demand the resignation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because once the Prime Minister resigns, the entire Council of Ministers has to resign. So you see, that is the only way out.
I've spoken to 100 of people here, and my intuitions was very right, okay, within 3 days. But when in the afternoon we were inside, we were speaking to the student and having a good fun, and we were dancing, and we were but there was a tear shell, a gas was blasted a 6th time, so people were panic. I said, what again they are going to make a mistake, to hijack Sonam Wangchuk and the brutality on the 20th. That was again a surprise.
Other demands and concerns with respect to the youngsters not being detained further. What is your take on whatever has been happening for the past few days?
Though the education minister has given his resign, but ये लड़ाई अभी यहाँ पर ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. जैसा कि जितने छात्र हमारे डिमांड कर रहे थे कि एजुकेशनल रिफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड है या छात्रों से रिलेटेड है, आपने इस्तीफा दे दिया लेकिन लड़ाई ख़त्म नहीं. जो 21 बच्चों की जान गई जिन्होंने अपनी सुसाइड करी, वो आपके इस्तीफे से बहुत बड़ी बात है. आपको इस तरह से चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में कि छात्रों को उनका हक मिल सके, उनको इस तरह से कभी इस तरह का कोई डिसीजन न लेना सके, इस तरह के प्रोटेस्ट ना करना पड़े. लेकिन ये छात्रों की बहुत बड़ी जीत है कि सरकार इनके सामने झुकी है और इनके सामने इस्तीफा धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने दिया है.
And responding to a question posed by WION, former Deputy Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia also reacted. Listen in.
नहीं, हर पार्लियामेंट सेशन से हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है कि देश के मुद्दों पर बात करें, एजुकेशन पर बात करें, हेल्थ पे बात करें, नौकरियों पर बात करें, किसान और व्यापारियों की बात करें. लेकिन ये वहाँ बैठ के जोक सुना के चले जाते हैं. आज देश के छात्रों ने इनको मजबूर कर दिया है.